This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey, gardening spirit boosters! I just came in here to share with you my little Santivere snake plant collection, all grown from propagated snake plant cuttings. I love this so much, you guys. This is amazing. All of these plants are grown from cuttings, propagation, cutting a leaf and putting it in soil or putting it in water. Just look at them. Look at the spear on this cylinder Santivere snake plant. And this is the one that I was saying was dead, and you guys convinced me. And I put it in the dirt, and look at it now, growing beautiful. It's a brilliant color, healthy color. There's another spear plant in the back. There's another snake plant growing here, and here are the ones that are growing new leaves, new babies. These right here are still alive, but they haven't grown any babies yet, as well as this one here, no babies. No babies in that one. Plenty babies in this cylinder starfish Santivere plant here. Plenty babies. And here the babies are growing in this one from a previous video I shared with you guys. But I love my snake plant propagated Santivere collection. And like I say, I can't wait till they get tall and long and gorgeous. I just love the snake plant. One of my favorite plants, and another plant I've seen on my gardening friend Susie's channel is the Cosmo. I have to get me some Cosmo seeds, or I've never seen a Cosmo plant in the store. I have to get me some seeds. If y'all got some extra Cosmo seeds y'all want to share, and send me some, I have a P.O. box in my description box. Please do so. If you got some I love flowers. If y'all want to share with Miss Janita, please send them through the P.O. box. And Irene, I haven't been to my P.O. box yet. You said that you were, you sent something to the P.O. box. I have to, if I'm not there, I have to let my husband go over there, ask my husband to go over there and check it out. If you did do so, well, they haven't alerted me, because on the P.O. box, I have it set up where they alert me and let me know if I got any packages. So I haven't heard anything, but if you say you did so, please let me know in the comments. But other than that, like I said, if you guys want to send some flower seeds or something, feel welcome. But you know Miss Janita ain't got no flower seeds. I'm over here struggling with my plants. Like y'all know, I am a novice gardener. I do this because I enjoy it. It's a hobby and a love life thing that I enjoy doing, as well as my crafting. Y'all go to my crafting channel, check out my crafting channel. And I do have a grocery chatting, talking about the news going on in the world channel too. So I got that too. Y'all welcome to join any of those channels if you like. If you're in crafting, please join my crafting channel. Gardening, hello, I know I see you guys. I'm enjoying your gardening and your other hobby crafting videos so much. But I do love those plants and flowers, and I do love people that have crops, food. I love all of it, you guys. Just be patient with me trying to get around everybody. I'm up to 200 subscribers now, and I love it. Thank you so much for believing in me and joining my channel. I love you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Thank you so much for watching. And Rooftop Gardener, shout out to Rooftop Gardener. And it's a lot of you guys. Tamara, uh, Susie Suffolk, ooh, Patricia, Sushai, uh, GD Crops, the corn guy. It's a bunch of y'all. I know I'm not shouting at everybody, but shout out to all my gardening channels. Thank you guys so much for coming through. Molgy, it's so many of you guys, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time and support.